and welcome back to 2026 with Maski Learning and Maski TV. Our pre-matrics, we welcome you and congratulate you that we are just one step to the finishing line of high school and find real world. But with that, when you are going, Maski TV and Maski Learning is staying with you, and we promise you that we will never leave you behind. Right, what is it that we are here for? For those who are just hearing about us now, we are Maski Learning and we are Maski TV. So Maski TV is inside Maski Learning. As we welcome you back, we want you to understand that we want to help you to focus on the learning and make sure that whatever you learn, you understand. So this platform is designed specifically to make sure that you're supported fully and everything that you need to know, it is here and you are helpful. So be it your conceptual understanding, problem solving, reasoning and thinking skill, and to prepare you for a very high stake of understanding how to get into examination, assessment, all the kind of assessment that we have, and build you, make sure that you are ready for your grade 12. That is why we have Maski TV. We know and we acknowledge and understand that grade 11 is not just a practice year, but it is a foundation of your matric. It's actually a foundation of your success. So that is why we are saying that we're not gonna leave any learner behind. Right, in Maski Learning, it's a South African educational partner that we have been supporting teaching and learning inside the classroom with teachers, learners, and parents. On top of that, we have then created Maski TV, which is therefore exists to support you, to make sure that all those difficult concepts that you get in a classroom are solved in a life lesson just like that. And make sure that we strengthen your understanding for math, not just for examination, but carrying you all along to your life and to your successes. Because we believe that every learner needs to be included because everyone matters. Now, this is a variety of our resources in MML. Most of them you already have and you know you have used them. So we just want to reintroduce them to you so that you remember why do we have these resources. So we do have our platinum, which is this book, and most of the schools, most of the learners already uses this because it is what is trusted, and the DBE have selected it as one of the strongs and in caps, right? So this is the platinum book that we have, and we do have our classroom math, and our classroom math, it is the one that is actually have also been created to make sure that you are helped with your reasoning skills and all the conceptual understanding. And we do have X-Kit, which is created to make sure that you can prepare for your examination properly, right? Then we have just Crack Maths. So this is called Crack the Maths Study Guide, which is created especially for every learner because we believe that everyone needs to know maths, and we believe that everyone can do maths, and that is why Crack the Maths Code has been created specifically for. As if that was not enough, we went and then created a Maski AI tutor, which is therefore stand with you by your side on your cell phone as an ongoing digital support, which you can work on everywhere you are after the learning or before the classroom has happened, right? Then we have where we are right now, which is Maski TV, where we help you to close the gaps through interventions, right? So why do we have multiple resources? One will ask, we know that grade level is a different level of your learning. So because of that, we have created all the resources that can support you to make sure that you understand all concepts as need be, depending on the type of a learner you are, right? So we have created this to make sure that the level of your concept become more abstract, which we know, but we make sure that we help you interconnect them. One way or another, having all these books can help you more than having one of them. So in grade 11, you really need to have all these books, and they are designed for each and every different level. You are expected to justify and explain whatever it is that you write in grade 11 maths. So that is why we have classroom maths, to help you with those kind of explanation and all that. So then with all this, we have also added the 2 study guides that we have, which are uniquely created, purposefully so, to make sure that the assessment and all the standards are there, because we know that you are expected to have a little bit of a higher standard in grade 11. I always say if you can pass grade 11 very well in maths, you're actually going to pass matric without a struggle, right? So using this, if you use them properly, combine them, integrate them, you're going to have a very good conceptual depth, fluency, and you'll be very ready for examination. So please get yourself the copies of these books if you don't have them as it is now. So in platinum, we did say that it's all caps aligned, 100%, stays in your classroom. It is created in a very progression structure for all the concept. It has many activities that you can use, and the focus there is actually balanced with all the skills and applications, so you can be able to find everything there, and it remains the primary use in your classroom resources, whereas many schools, many learners have this as their subscribed to their learning. So please get yourself a copy, because if you use this to prepare for anything, you'll never go wrong. So if you are that learner then who need everything, in this case I said you need all this to integrate them, because you can't do with one and without the other. Let's look at the classroom. Classroom maths, it actually focuses on mathematical reasoning, mathematical explanation, conceptual understanding of any method that you can use, and it's actually have a clear communication of what and how and why you are thinking of something. So it helps you with your mathematical reasoning, your problem solving skills, and this is actually a very good book to have, and it will help you to have the skills of critical thinking as you approaches your grade 12. Right. Then X-Kit, as I said, it has all the summary keys that are coming and which you need to know from grade 10, that is building to grade 11, and you need to know that you will have to understand all those questions, all those topics that are there, which you need to build in on to go to grade 12. So that is what is there in X-Kit. It has worked examples, and it offers all the examination styles for revision and practice purposes. And this resource is very important. It's very useful for test, examination, and to actually just sum up everything that you have learned. Then we have Crack the Maths Code. Crack the Maths Code was designed as a solution to all the other problems that we have. It is actually 10 in 1. So you have like 10 features in this one book that can help you to get everything at one go. You don't have to go and look for many other things. You can have this one and you can get everything that you need. It addresses all the misconceptions. It actually strengthens your foundation of all the areas that you have, and it makes sure that it builds your confidence that you have and give clear explanation. This is targeted to support and prevent all the gaps that has been carried on. So the way it's designed, it actually cover all the basics from grade 10 up until the grade that you are, which is grade 11. And in grade 11, you can go back as grade 11 and as grade 9, and then you move to grade 11 with all the concepts such as number concept, number system, what is a prime number, what is an even number, odd number, and all all those kind of things. Crack the Maths Code. It's your book with all that. This one is designed to accommodate all type of learners and prepare you to well understand whatever it is that you have to, be it a topic, targeted focus, with videos directed to AI, which we have as our Maski, directed to Maski TV, where we are right now. So it is 10 in 1. You can just get yourself a copy and you'll be able to see all those which I have highlighted and more. Right. Our AI, favorable AI, Maski Tutor. Right. In Maski Tutor, we have created it to support you, to help you answer any question that you get troubled with. So you're busy practicing, you're failing to answer the question. There, Maski TV, will help you just next to you wherever you are, in and outside the classroom. We are trying to show you that we can still support you even if we are not there. We support you with Maski AI Tutor to help you get all the concept that you need to do independently without a teacher. Because guess what? Maski AI Tutor act like Teacher Tandy, having your teacher there, like a real tutor. It is personalized to suit your education. And we make sure that maths is actually fully aligned into Maski AI Tutor. Then we went and say, when you want to know more, when you want to do more, when you don't have your textbook, you don't have your question paper, Maski TV, it is there for you with all type of videos, focused examples, and all types of video that is topic based, and our live sessions that we're going to start carrying them. So please subscribe, like, and share with everyone, because we have all the grades that you can go to and you can be able to learn as much as you can, and there's many other subjects in that platform. Back to reality. We have started the journey, right? As we are in grade 11. So there's no more turning back. As we are here, we're now going to start with the live session next week. When we start with live session, we're going to go and just take the topic that you are busy with, and we're going to pick one difficult concept and we scaffold it with you. So please get yourself the books, familiarize yourself with Maski AI Tutor as well as Maski TV. Put all the notes that you need in everything that you have, so that when we meet you next week, you are ready to go on with us, to engage, to ask questions. So our focus, therefore, will be exponents and surds. You got that? Right. So, as I said, in Maski Learning, we have sat down and agree with one another that we leave no learner behind.
And now we enter our next exciting chapter with the launch of Maskiverse, an inspiring trio of innovations, our AI-powered learning companion, captivating TV content, and a vibrant playground for interactive learning, and our own dedicated app, all coming together beautifully to deliver learning outcomes through technology.